So this is the finished look of this unit right here, guys. So I'm going to read all the specs off of my phone. So I've had this unit for about 2 weeks, guys. So this is another longevity type of review. So I can give you my full review and opinion of this unit. So this unit, guys, was sent to me from African Mall Hair. Now, African Mall Hair and African Mall is the same company. They sell clothes and they also sell wigs and weaves and stuff like that. So you can get just about anything there if you're looking for a full look. So this unit, guys, it's a 13x6 transparent lace front wig. It's straight Remy hair, 180% density with baby hairs. Now this unit is 26 inches long, guys. Now I do have a coupon code which I'll insert in the video and insert down below for you guys. You guys will save 10% off. Now this unit, guys, it's a really, really nice unit. Obviously you guys can see it. I got it 26 inches long. I asked them for the longest length and the biggest density, which they did send. Now I've had the unit for about 2 weeks, guys, and you guys seen it in the try on haul that I featured it, and just a few of my videos from the last few weeks or last 2 weeks. Now, one thing about the hair that I did notice, oh, my phone almost fell. One thing that I did notice, guys, is that the hair does shed. Now, I feel like the 180% density was very, very present in the beginning. I even curled it. I did crib style, wore it straight. So I wore it 3 different ways, and I did wash it a few different times. But I did realize that overall, I did receive some shedding with this unit. But it is still a good density, but like I kind of feel like, come on now, like long hair like this, I really didn't expect it to shed that much, but hey, with hair, I mean like with wigs and weaves and stuff like that, it's gonna shed. But I do feel like this is a little bit annoying. Like I said, with longer length hair, it's annoying when it sheds just because the hair is so much, it bundles up and it just is all over the floor. But with this one, guys, I would just say don't play with it a lot. I am not gonna lie, I do play with my wigs a lot, like to touch it, do stuff like that because I like to style it. But I did style it 3 different ways, curled it, straightened it, and crimped it, and it did terrific. So that's one thing I could say about the wig. The texture is good and it styles very well. Another thing, I did go ahead and bleach the knots, as you guys can see. So the knots I did go ahead and bleach, and I think I did a killer ass job. The unit looks very, very flawless. Even if you come up close and see me, you're gonna be like, what the hell? I feel like with this unit, you probably should go ahead and bleach it because it does not come bleached, but I did go ahead and bleach the knots, and I feel like I did a great job and it looks really good. Now, this unit is 13 by 6, so you get a lot of parting space on this one. So this will look really cute and half up, half down if you do 2 little braids. So I'm going to do kind of like a lot of fun looks for the summertime, so I'm definitely going to incorporate this wig for a longevity type of style. So yeah, so guys, I'll leave all the information down below in regards to this unit, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from African Mom. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.